Hi friends, I am Chaitanya Gulge from Mangal Agro Farm and today we are going to talk about the queen bee of the beehive. So let us start with it. So can you look at that dark brown colored bee? It is the queen bee. It is the mother of all the worker bees. It is double the size of the worker bee and it reaches the length of 15 mm. It lays up to 1000 to 1500 eggs in a day. Its lifespan is 3 years. It is the most important part of the beehive. Without it, the worker bees are nothing. It has its special smell, so the worker bees can easily smell and reach to their beehive. If we even change their place, by the smell of the queen bee, they reach to that place easily. So in this way, the queen bee is very important to the production of honey. The queen bee does not have time to eat as it lays so much eggs in a day. So the worker bees feed the queen bee. So in this way, the queen bee helps the whole beehive. For watching such more videos, please like, subscribe and share our video. Thank you for watching from Mangal Agro Farm. Thank you.